So friends, let's start with today's Goan yellow dal. To see how I prepare the dal, watch the video till the end please. So now let's start. So here I've taken a pan and I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can also use oil. Once the ghee or the oil is hot, you're going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the seeds splutter. Then you're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, also called jeera. Next, you're going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Now mix all of these ingredients really well together in the oil or the ghee, whatever you're using. I'm using ghee because ghee elevates the flavor of this dal. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. So I've used about 2 large cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. You can also use the ready-made ginger garlic paste, but I prefer to use this coarsely ground ginger and garlic. So fry the ginger and garlic really well till the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away. Next, we're going to add 2 green chillies that I've slit and then cut into halves. Now fry the chillies also well till they get a nice white coating of the ghee or the oil. So this is our bagar. We have a few more ingredients to add to this bagar. Next goes in 6 to 7 curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. Fry the curry leaves also really well. Next I'm going to add 1 small onion that I've chopped fine and 1 small tomato that I've chopped fine. Now fry the onions and tomatoes also very well with the rest of the bagar. You already get this lovely aroma of all the spices and the onion and the chili. Now just cover and cook for 2 minutes on a low flame. Now you will see that the tomatoes and the onions are nicely softened. Just give it a good mix. And now you're going to add this 1 cup of cooked toor dal. I'll show you, it's very simple to cook dal. I'll show it to you at the end of the video. Now mix the cooked dal with the rest of the bagar. And now I'm going to add half a cup of water. So what I did is I just put water into the same vessel in which I cooked the dal. That way we won't lose out any of the flavors, and add that. Now if you want it to be more thinner, just add another 1/4 cup of the water. Now let the dal come to a boil on a medium to high flame, and once it comes to a boil, just simmer it and keep it on a low to medium flame. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. Always add less salt first and then taste it and then add more. And I'm going to add a pinch of sugar to balance out all the taste and flavors. Mix everything really nicely together. Now we're not going to add any chili powder or any other garam masala or anything to this dal. It's going to be a very simple, light, refreshing dal. All I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped coriander. Turn off the heat and serve this dal with some lovely rice. You can also have it with some rotis or puris or chappatis and some vegetable. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's very simple, but it's very refreshing and light and delicious. Recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.